My name is Tibet. I'm the chairperson of Human Rights Network for Tibet and Taiwan. Tibetans lost our own country more than 70 years. We are refugees now. I do not want to see Ukraine experience same things like us. We will take all the action to stand with Ukraine. You are not alone. Russian army, get out from Ukraine.
Hello everyone, I'm Tashi from National Democratic Party of Tibet. So today, as the world watch Russia's invasion of Ukraine, this reminds us of China's invasion of Tibet back in 1959. We strongly condemn Russia's territorial aggression. I stand with Ukraine.
Hi, this is Pongshen from Student for Free Tibet, Taiwan. As a Taiwanese, a longtime Tibet supporters, and a freedom, human rights, and democracy lover, we strongly condemn the illegal invasion of Russia to Ukraine. In the past week, we all over the world have witnessed the ruthless Russian authorities invading the country, the courageous Ukrainian people standing up for their homeland, and the world starting to speak up for human rights and universal values. We can never stress harder that this is exactly what happened in Tibet in the 1950s and ended up at the 1959 uprising and the brutal crackdown. We have to stop Russia from its imperial ambition and also its like-minded dictatorships, namely China, to further invade other countries around it, including us, Taiwan. So here we stand firmly with the Ukrainian people and all the freedom-loving people around the world. Bregalo and Slava Ukraini.
We here at SFT India condemn the Russian aggression and forceful invasion of Ukraine. SFT India stands in solidarity with the people of Ukraine and the right and demands to live peacefully in their own land. SFT stands in solidarity with the people of Ukraine in the fight for freedom and independence.
It is very sad to witness a war in a time where we have many possible ways to address an unresolved issues in a fair and friendly manner. Unfortunately, Russia, one of the superpowers, is extending its expansionist policy over Ukraine, and the invasion has begun with a lot of death and destructions already. The same thing has happened in Tibet when the Chinese Communist militaries marched into Tibet and murdered millions of Tibetans and forcefully took control over Tibet. Therefore, Tibetan Youth Congress extends our support and solidarity with people of Ukraine, and we urge the international community to do whatever they could to stop the war and extend their support and solidarity with people of Ukraine in this time of great need.
Russia gi ani Ukraine nanglo ya zenzu chechen thade chalaya Ukraine nanglo gi netan di ji gi shindu ne zata da na shimbe phagi nanglo le ya mi mangbo ji kende su joyo re di ma che phagi nanglo gi ji gi benjo netan ine re mi ma gi togo khangji thele ya thade chalaya da duksi jo thobo shukchimbu jode re dele ya nga ju gi u pheme lenzo gi ngene ani da Russia shungla khare rewa shugyu lana jigi ma di khang gyogyo chamjo daga na shibe ma di khang gyogyo ji chamjo chungba da jina ani Ukraine nanglo le ya shube ani jigi mima cho changma jigi shidi yongye re ani zamling yongzo shidi yongye gi ani nedangji chagre sije anga ju phemel henzo gi ngene dele ya dongsim nyamge da ama di khang gyogyo chamjo na we rugu shugyu.
Russia has carried out a massive invasion of Ukraine. Innocent people are getting killed. There are no words to describe what is happening in Ukraine right now. The global community must stop this as soon as possible and provide maximum support to Ukraine. We support Ukraine. Stop the war.